Hey guys, it's your buddy Rome. So we again are taking a look at this adapter for the ML100 Bylight. As you guys can see here, I have this modifier currently attached to it. And for those who may not know what this modifier does, it basically allows you to create patterns on solid surfaces. So say for instance, if you were shooting a video and you wanted to have a really unique background behind it, you'd be able to use this. You can adjust these, you can remove them. It comes with quite a variety of these little metal cards, as you guys see here, that you can drop into this and you can change them out. So let's say, for instance, if we took this one and we decided we wanted to use that, all I would have to do is come up here and pull this guy out like so. Pop this one out. Let's replace it with this one. Like so. And we're going to drop that back in, kinda. It can be fiddly, but you guys get the idea. Let's take a look here. So if we wanted to create, a really unique pattern behind a product, if that was your goal, that's an easy way to be able to do it. So again, I just wanted to show you guys how this works, because a few people were a little confused about this specific modifier. So I wanted to do a quick video showing you guys how you could use this. So if you spot this being used going forward in some of my videos, now you know how I'm doing it. And just to be clear, you guys can also see here, we're only at 7% power. You do not need a lot of power to be able to do this. The light is affordable. The modifier is affordable. So you can combine this. This can be something that you can use all the time. It does come with the lens. So there we go. I've done a video on this product a couple of times. So again, all right guys, it's been Rome with Rome Knows Tech, and I will catch you all in the next video. Hopefully this little short video has been helpful to help some of you guys get started setting up your content, creating content, and different types of tech you can use to make that happen. All right, I'll see y'all all in the next video. Until then, stay safe. Peace. I'm out.